everybody, hope you all have an amazing day. This is Aarti and welcome back to channel Prawasin. So if you are a travel enthusiast and looking for some nice weekend getaway, then this video is definitely for you. I'll be taking you to Kodachadri track. So I have booked this through BMC Adventures. So let's join me on this journey along with my siblings. Hello guys, good morning. So now we'll just freshen up and I'll see you in a bit. So this is Upma and this is Kesari one. And the walk begins. So right now we are going to Forest Department office to take the permissions, and after that our trail will start.
Morning guys.
Good morning.
Welcome to BMC. Welcome to Kodachadri trek. So today we'll be trekking around 1455 meters. Okay, and it will be total 22 kilometers, 11 kilometers to the top, and from there downhill 11 kilometers. After 4 kilometers we'll get Idlumane Falls. Don't litter the place, okay? Oh, you are a bit. Let's enjoy. So he's Parmeshwar, he's our local guide.
Igloo Mane. Okay.
Not Idli Mane.
Igloo Mane. So
हेलीकॉप्टर भेजना पड़ेगा उठा.
that's the first peak, and I'm literally very tired. रोशनी बताओ.
I'm very tired. Very tired.
कैसा लग रहा
Energy level is
कैसा लग रहा है तुम्हारा ट्रैक?
बहुत मज़ा तो आ रही है पर
कैसा लग रहा है सपना?
feeling tired.
What about you girls?
Tired but enjoying it. It is visible in my face.
After completion. अभी 1.5 किलोमीटर और है.
5.5.
5. अरे बाप रे. किस तरफ है? लाशी.
वो ट्री के पास जाना है.
Oh, वो ट्री.
वहाँ से 4 किलोमीटर है.
वहाँ से then 4 kilometer we have to walk there. अरे बाप रे. So there, that tree, can you see? We have to reach there. Oh, and that's our peak. Move, Aarti, move. So, this is that tree which I was talking earlier. So, now we are moving to the peak after a 5 minutes break. And I think that's the peak where we have to go. So we are about to reach the Kodachadri peak. See you soon at Kodachadri. And this is the most important thing which we should keep in our mind is don't throw plastic and waste.
I am not a religious person also. I just accompanied my
Okay, so you came here before?
It's a temple where people will come and
do. Any history behind that? Sankaracharya temple.
It's Moola Parvati. Moola Mukambika and Kala Bhairava temple is here.
Okay.
And on top is the place where Shankaracharya meditated.
Oh. And I am here, Kodachadri Peak, and my sister is there. कैसा लग रहा है फर्स्ट ट्रैक कंप्लीट करके?
बहुत मजा आई, हमारा ट्रैक कंप्लीट हो गया। हुर्रे!
ये
And right now we are going for photo session.
सपना कैसा लग रहा है?
It's amazing.
Finally
done.
Here we are at the Kodachadri Peak, also called as Jasmine of the Hills. This trail is relatively steep and quite challenging. Despite the efforts, the journey to the top is one you will remember and be proud of, as you are transported to another world with magical sights, untouched forest and challenging climbs at every corner. Today we are heading towards the Nagara Fort, located in the Shimoga district of the state of Karnataka. Built in the 16th century, the ruins of this fort still hold on its old world charm and essence of heritage. The gorgeous sight of the fort that you will get when you are driving your way will make you stop in order to visit the fort. It's in size not much huge, but there's something about this place that will just leave you awestruck. So this is the Darbar Hall, where that side the Praja will sit, and here top will be the king. We are very tired and we are on our way to Bangalore. We have halted here for our lunch and then our vlog to Kodachadri will at the end. So guys, now we are at the end of our trip. So anything which you would like to say? It was your first trek, so
Yeah, I think that it was an amazing experience because that's my first try, and I feel great that I completely and with positivity. That's it.
Abhishek.
You can see it from my
Also, he was I think the fastest among all of us.
He and she.
Good job.
He and she.
And yeah, of course, my sweet sister, Roshni, she got tanked.
Yeah, me too, yeah. He did.
And that's our fellow trekkers. So this is dal khichdi, aloo matar and chapati. So I'll see you after the lunch. Abhishek, so we are at the end of our vlog. How was your experience with VMC Adventures?
feeling.
What is this?
हम लोग कैसे बचे थे? हम लोगों ने अच्छे से ट्रैक किया, राइट? We did it nicely. And how you guys like?
Guys, you guys did very well.
Thank you.
And we will.
Thank you. All credit goes to Harish.
All credit goes to.
Okay, so Roshni,
Finally.
we are at the end of our vlog. What you will say?
Okay, जिसको भी ऐसा कोई ब्लॉग या ट्रैक करने का पसंद है वो कर सकता है ट्रैक।
Yeah.
और
Go for
हमें
BMC.
हमें तो बहुत मजा आई, तो आप भी जाके करिए। तो प्लीज चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा।
And I
Bell icon जरूर press कर
and I will
दीजिएगा.
see you in my next video.